I'm going to explain to you how to replace the project that you've just finished and you want to put on a new one that's already warped. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the reed. You're going to grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Any screwdriver with a Phillips head will work. And what you're going to do is you're going to take out these set screws. There's 2 set screws that you're going to have to remove. They're on the little blue caps. So you're going to unscrew those, take both of them out, and then once you get them out, you'll be able to easily remove the other parts of the loom. It kind of comes apart for you and easily then will come back together with your new project. So once you get those set screws out, you'll replace, take those caps off, and you'll take out the inner dowel that has the handle attached to it, and then you'll easily be able to take out that pipe that is where your project was attached. Once you get both of those out, you're going to take your project that is pre-warped for you, and you're going to take the end that has all the paper, and that's going to go towards the back. How do you know it's the back? Because it's the shorter side where the reed will go. There's kind of like the longer side that you're going to weave. That's going to be the front. The back is that other side. So you're going to simply put in the pipes by adding them in. Now, one little tip, you want to make sure that the set screw holes are on the right side, so you can put that cap back on. So the cog side is going to be where those little orange cog stoppers are, and that's going to be the way that you know which way you have it right. So once you get it back together, you put those caps back on, and you're going to screw those little screws back on there. Just don't tighten them too much, just enough so that it's all back together and ready to weave. Now, once you get those screws back on, you'll want to tighten down your project. At this point, it will be loose, so you'll want to put those cog stoppers up, and if you turn away from it on the 2 sides, you'll be able to tighten your project. Make sure your strings are all right, and there you go. You got it all tightened up and ready to weave. Have a great time making your project, and if you have any questions, always comment, email, reach out.